Finally, Eagles playoff football has come back to Lincoln Financial Field. 14-3, the greatest record in franchise history. Back in August, the Eagles practice, I called 11 flipping wins. Dak, Wentz, Danny Dimes, I said we were taking the division. The first step, we got the number 1 seed. Everybody get ready, 8:15 tonight. Lock the doors, bolt the windows. Lincoln Financial Field will be rocking right now, tailgate. All Eagles Nation, all Eagles fans around the world, get ready. We're coming. The Mission, Arizona starts now. Everybody get pumped. Go to your window. Yell out, E-A-G-L-E-S, Eagles. Go Birds!